Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to enable voice chat in Roblox. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, we would need to verify our age and phone number. Okay, so to do that, what we're going to do is just go ahead over to roblox.com and log in. Now go ahead and go to the top right, click on the gear icon. Now just click on settings. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, okay, verify your age right here. If you haven't verified it yet, you'll have the verify option right here. Okay, so just click on that verify button, follow simple prompts, and once done, if it asks you to verify your phone number, well, you can just go ahead and easily verify your phone number, just add it. Okay, depending on your region, some regions ask you to verify your phone number. So just click on verify, follow simple prompts, and once done, let's go ahead over to our privacy and content restrictions right here. So just click on it. Now go to click on communication. Go to experience chat first. Enable experience chat. Okay. Go back. Party right here. Enable all. Go back. Voice data usage. Enable this one and go back. Okay. And once that's done, you should be good to go. As once you have verified your age and phone number, okay, voice chat will be enabled, but only if a game supports a voice chat. Okay, so let's just go ahead and open up a game right here. Maybe mic'd up. Okay, mic up. This one. So some games supports a microphone and some games doesn't. Okay, so just basically open up a game, and at the very top left, okay, you'll be able to see a microphone icon. So just click on it to disable and enable it. And once done, you should be good to go. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.